Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just received my Amazon package. So we're gonna open it this way because you cannot see the address on this side. So let's open my package and see what's inside. Surprise, surprise! I just love opening packages. I know I do. Whether they're my packages or not, I want to open everybody's package. Oh yeah, so I ordered a new phone protector. Isn't it pretty? It's real pretty, I like it. Alright, but let's see what else is in the package. Here's the other screen protector that I ordered for my Samsung S20 Plus that now works great. Isn't that nice? It's blue, dark blue. Now let me not get black, let's try something new. So I got that one. So that's two. They're way cheaper on Amazon. If you get them at the store, it's like 30 bucks, 40 bucks. Like, no, thank you. All right, let's see what else we got here. See, let's see. Happening here. Let's move that big box out the way. Oh, look what I got. The containers for my body scrubs. I have 8 ounces and 10 ounce. So I'm guessing this is the 8 because it's small. And these are the 10 ounces. Let's take them out of the wrapper. Ooh, I'm so excited. Make some more body scrubs. This order came quick, guys. I think I ordered this yesterday. I was debating, should I order this? Should I order this? Should I order this? Sorry. These are like open, but yeah, this is it. These are the 10 ounces. Should say it in the bottom, but it does not. But I got these on Amazon. I will link a description below if anybody's interested in getting them. And as I said, these are for my coffee body scrubs, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So the price of these was, oh, I can't even remember. I will have to look it up and then let you guys know, okay? So guys, these are all my containers. In total, there's 25. There's more 8 ounces than 10 ounces. I have 9, 10 ounces and 16 8 ounces, and the total was $18.99. That was the best deal I can find in bulk. If anybody else has any ideas of where I can maybe get these for cheaper, for more, this was the best deal that I found online. They're 25 for $18.99. That's the price, guys. You can see it right there. Yep. So these are for my homemade body scrubs. Let me go get one so I can show you guys. So this is some body scrub I had in another jar. Well, it was plastic container actually. So I took it out from there because, you know, I wanted something that looks more professional, more appealing. So it was already done. I just took it out of there so I can transfer it to this one, just so I can show you guys what I want to use it for. Okay. So I can look nicer, you know. You want to make it look cute when you sell it. You don't want it to look all ghetto. Don't know if it's gonna fill up the whole 8 ounces. So guys, this is made with coconut oil, coffee grounds, and brown sugar, and or white sugar. You can use either or. There's many ways to make this. I plan on selling them, and I've done okay so far. A lot of my coworkers have bought them off me. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. And hopefully I can sell some more. But look, doesn't it look great already? Look at that. Just gotta add a little label right there. One in the back, maybe one in the bottom, or in the top. But yeah, it did fill it up. Okay, fill it up to the top. You don't want to be called cheap. But this is good for cellulite. It gives you smoother skin. It has a lot of benefits, but those are the main two I can remember off the back of my head. Younger skin, smoother skin, kills all the how do you say it? Like, you know, the rough skin. When you have the rough skin, it gets rid of all that. Alright guys, this is it. We're done. Just trying to make it look nice. But okay, yeah, I get the point. So that's what I want them for. Just wanted to show you guys. Hard to close, but it'll do the job. So this is it. This is the homemade body scrub, which has many benefits. I can Google some for you guys right now. Give you more details. Give me 1 second. So I Google what are coffee scrubs good for. I keep forgetting, I won't lie guys. So it says here it has several benefits that include exfoliating and anti-inflammatory properties, temporary reduction of cellulite, improved circulation, reduces eye puffiness, whoa, that's great, and smoother skin. And it has many more, but I'm not going to read them all to you guys, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got on Amazon. I will link a description below for anyone who is interested in purchasing something like this. And it brings more 8 ounce than 10 ounces. But I have a feeling that I'm going to be selling this quicker than the 10 ounces. Because of course the price is cheaper. Yeah, so that's it guys. And also the 2 phone cases that I purchased. They have stands. This one's pretty cool. You can put your finger through it. See? Push it up. Push it up. And then you put your finger through it and hold it like that. Oh, that's cool. But I don't think this one has a stand. It just you can just hold it with your finger. But it's a really nice phone case. I love it. I love it. And then this one has a stand. Let me see. I don't want to break it. So you just push it out and you can hold the phone like that. Which I like to do because I'm watching my Gilmore Girls on Netflix. Again, for like the 20th time. So this is it guys. Just wanted to show you what I got. And my jars over here, as you can see them in the back. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody. Take care and I'll see you soon guys. Adios.